All right, team, focus on this channel. Get the high-pressure pumps ready.
Hoses connected, Supervisor. We're starting the suction now.
Wait, hold position right here.
Roger that. Engine idling.
Get the poles and the camera ready. It looks big.
All right, team, we have contact. Mark this position immediately and prepare the dive team. Okay, everyone, focus on the gaps between the upper molars. We need to see the full extent of the root structure by sundown.
All right, hold everything. Stop the pumps, let's get some measurements.
All right, team, fan out. We need to assess the full length of this thing immediately. Get photos of everything.
Stop the compressed air on this section. The structural integrity is severely compromised right here.
This connection point is completely compromised. See the pitting here? Yeah, that weld is failing. We need to document this immediately.
Be careful with that root system near the railing. We need to preserve the structural integrity here. Move to the next section after this one.
Clear the vegetation around this support beam. We need to assess the damage here.
We need to focus on this section here before the next pass.
Yes, the corrosion is severe, and we'll use the smaller tools.
Okay, reading at 0.4 is holding steady at 0.11.
That confirms the loss. We'll mark this entire quadrant for replacement, starting here.
All right, keep those sprayers steady on the viewport section. And somebody get me a structural reading on these bent railings.
All right, team. Remember the protocol. Document everything thoroughly before we touch a single component.
Log the measurements on cylinder 3. This linkage is completely shot. It needs a full replacement.
Ensure the beams are seated correctly under section 4.
Copy that, Supervisor. We're clear on the cable tension.
Keep it steady.
We're good here.
All clear. Engage the main winch.
We have positive lift. Maintain pressure. Confirmed, Supervisor. Water escaping the bow. Flow rate increasing.
Forward beam secured, hydraulics stable.
Copy that. All points checked. Restoration garage convoy is clear to move.
Right, team. Keep it slow and steady. Check the cradle supporting the lower jaw. Cradle checks complete, Supervisor. The corrosion is extensive but stable.
We need more tension on line 4. Secure the starboard supports immediately.
Yes, boss, working on it.
Crane lift initiated. All personnel maintain control on the guide ropes. Steady.
Watch the cradles, keep it aligned.
Brackets are locked. Set her down easy.
All right, easy on the port side, bring her straight in now. We've got heavy corrosion near the jaw hinge, boss.
Pressure readings are stable across all contact points. The transport platform is cleared for removal. Copy that. Proceeding with removal.
All right, team, focus up. We start with the bow's structural integrity, then move to the hull plating and engine access points. Hit that spot again by the jaw hinge. We need it spotless before the repair crew moves in.
Shine the light right there. See that structural support? We need that spotless. You missed a spot right there by the structural rib. Hit that again with the scraper.
Mark this entire section for plate replacement. The thinning is critical here. Reading is 2.1 millimeters here.
2.1, confirmed.
That's insufficient. Mark this section for replacement. The cuts are clean. Lower that section to the floor. We are clear for the next plate. Carefully lift that housing and place it on the to inspect tray. Check for stress fractures around the flange.
According to the spec sheet, the wear here exceeds the maximum tolerance. We can't reuse this shaft.
All right, easy now. Take it down 5 centimeters. Hold it steady on the ropes. Perfect alignment, secure the mounts. Fuel lines checked and secured. Cooling pipe clamps torqued to specification. Confirming all electrical connections are locked. Alignment confirmed. You can secure the plates and begin welding. Main power switch, engaged. Auxiliary systems check, reading nominal levels. Navigation array is online.
Right here on the seam, it's a little light.
Copy that. Increasing overlap now.
The finish looks excellent here. Make sure you get that corner joint properly before moving to the next section.
Main power sequence active. Navigation systems online. Confirmed, Supervisor. All gauges green. Engine indicators green. Final systems check complete.